Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking garlic longanisa. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have ground pork, 80-20, 20 fat and 80 lean meat, eggs. We have minced garlic, red wine, soy sauce, ground pepper, vinegar, cornstarch. We have paprika, and we have chili powder. Also, we're gonna do today is skinless garlic longanisa. So we're gonna shape this and then we're gonna steam it. And then after steaming it, you can keep that in the freezer and fry it in the next day or so. There's another option that you can wrap this with spring roll pastry. This is the one that we use for egg roll. So that's another option. So let's proceed to the mixing. In our mixing bowl here, we're gonna pour in our pork, ground pork. All right. And we're gonna use our hands. Our hands are clean anyways. We're gonna put our garlic, minced garlic. Look at that. There's a lot of minced garlic here, and that's the one that will give real good taste. Gonna put our a teaspoon of ground pepper, black pepper, and 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay. All right. And also 3 tablespoons of vinegar. All right. And then I'm gonna put half cup of our red wine. Okay. We're gonna put paprika for coloring. I should say half teaspoon of paprika. Okay. All right. There you go. And a dust of chili powder. Not that much. So, all right. And then we're gonna mix it with our hands here. Mix it real good. There you go. Okay. Now this is the time to put our eggs. We have a couple of eggs here. All right. The reason why we are putting eggs is to hold the texture of, to make it firm, the texture of our meat, so it will stay together. Now we're gonna put 2 or 3 teaspoons of cornstarch. So this will help the meat to stay together when we fry it. We'll continue mixing it with your hands. Okay. Now what we're gonna do now is we need to shape this skinless longanisa. It'll form a ball like this, and then I'm gonna use a round paper here. We're gonna shape it like longanisa. Okay, there you go. See, we rolled it. Okay, and we put it right here. We're gonna steam it for 15 minutes, and then look at this. And then we're gonna put in the fridge or a freezer, and we can fry it later on. Okay. Now here is the skinless longanisa that we steamed for 20 minutes. So this is ready for our freezer. And once you, or refrigerator, you know, and then once you would like to eat it, just fry it. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in a paper here, wax paper. Okay, fold the end. Okay, and put in a container. All right, like this. So you can freeze it, you can put it in the refrigerator, wherever you like. This is our finished product, skinless garlic longanisa. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.